Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i available on your iPhone? So, I already installed the application, what SOUNDCORE offer for the earbuds, and right here we can check supported devices. So click open the application, click add device, and select right here this earbuds icon. Now go to setup manually and to other. Our model is P40i, so we need to find it. Right here we have P30i, so we need to maybe scroll down, and right here we have it. So my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!